Welcome back to Financial Rebirth. Today, we're talking about 3 powerful mindset shifts that can transform your financial future. Mindset shift number 1, prioritize saving over spending. Most people focus on what they can buy, but wealthy individuals focus on what they can save and invest. Shift your thinking from what can I afford to how much can I save today. Every saved dollar is a step closer to your financial goals. Mindset shift number 2, embrace delayed gratification. Building wealth takes patience. Instead of seeking instant rewards, focus on long-term benefits. This means sacrificing some luxuries today for a more prosperous tomorrow. Mindset shift number 3, make money work for you. Don't just rely on your paycheck, put your money to work. This means investing in stocks, real estate, or businesses. The goal is to have multiple income streams that generate passive income. Adopt these 3 mindset shifts, and you'll be on your way to achieving true financial freedom. Subscribe to Financial Rebirth for more wealth-building strategies.